Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the floating notifications to bubbles or smart pop-up view or off on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top with two fingers, and this will open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up, tap on status bar. Next, we go down and tap on floating notifications. In here, you could choose between off or bubble or smart pop-up view. So select one of the options. If you choose smart pop-up view, then you can choose include apps. Now by default it will be switch off, so you can go in the list here and choose which apps you want to turn on so that they can use the smart pop-up view feature. So go in here and switch them on. So for example, I'm going to turn on the smart pop-up view for messages and WhatsApp, and if I send myself a text message, you can see that it will pop up at the top, as well as this pop-up smart view. So I can quickly tap on it, and from there I can just start to type the message to respond to that text message. And to close this pop-up, I can tap at the top here and then tap on the close button to close it. And that's it. And let's take a look at what it looks like when I change it to bubbles only, or if I turn off. You can see here, if I turn it to bubbles, it only shows at the top here without opening up the smart pop-up window. And if I switch it off, so if I decide to switch it off, then I'll be able to receive notifications, but nothing will pop up on the screen. Actually, this still pops up because it is one of the settings from the app itself, so it will pop up because of the settings in the text messages. So that must have override the status bar floating notifications, and it still shows the bubbles pop up because of the settings in the app in here, settings and notifications. And then if we go down in notification categories and then incoming messages, and in here it says show as pop-up. That's why that is on, because these settings will override the status bar settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.